Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIV Islamic School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School Marksheet. Today I am going to conduct an English class for class Junior 1 students. After this topic, Radiant Way, page 10 and 11 discussions. So, my dear students, open this book. Read the Radiant Way first step and go to page number 10 and 11. Okay, so let's see our today's class. Class Junior 1, subject English, topic Radiant Way, page 10 and 11 discussion. Term Shiuly, lecture 16, no SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, let's start our class. So you can see in a book, page number 10, you will find this poem. We will discuss two poems today, Dance Will and Show. I am again telling you that from this you do not need to memorize this poem. From this poem, we will only learn the word meaning, fill in the blanks and the question answers. So, my dear students, let's start. First poem, name of the poem is Dance Will. So, come and dance, come and dance. You can see and is some boys and girls are dancing. There is mother also. Pat and Ann is dancing. This is Pat and Ann's mother. So, come, Pat, dance to Ann. Dance to Ann means dance with Ann. Come and dance to Pat. Sing, mother, sing. So they are talking their mother to sing. Pat and Ann will dance. So this is an important line. There is sentence making also. We have learned a sentence making dance. Pat and Ann will dance. There is fill in the blanks also. Okay, so mother will sing and Pat and Ann will dance. And not to Pat. Not means response, responding something. Pat, not to Ann. So when you're dancing, you have to respond to your partner. Come and dance. Come and dance. Mother will sing for the dance. So the word sing, we have a sentence making with the word sing. You can make this sentence, take this sentence for this sentence making. Mother will sing for the dance. So let's read again. Dance will. Come and dance. Come and dance. Come, Pat, dance to Ann. Come and dance to Pat. Sing, mother, sing. Pat and Ann will sing. And not to Pat. Pat, not to Ann. Come and dance. Come and dance. Mother will sing for the dance. Okay, let's go to page number 11. This is page number 11 in your book. Okay, the name of the poem is Show. Ann has a fan. So we have learned to fill in the blanks in which we did Ann has a dash. So Ann has a fan. You can see this is Ann and Ann has a fan. Show the fan to mother and ran to show the fan to mother. Pat had not a cap. So Pat do not have a cap. And ran to mother for a cap for Pat. Mother had not a cap for Pat. Mother had a hat. There is a line, you fill the blanks. Mother had a dash. So mother had a hat. This is the mother and mother had a hat. Thank you, mother, for the hat for Pat. So mother is giving a hat to Pat. Let's read again. The name of the poem is Show. Ann has a fan. Show the fan to mother, and ran to show the fan to mother. Pat had not a cap Anne ran to mother for a cap for pet. Mother had not a cap for pet. Mother had a hat. Thank you, mother, for the hat for pet. So this is our discussions, my dear students. So my dear students, that's all for today. Keep practicing at home. Have a good times. Stay safe, stable. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.